In this video, we'll show you how to use the sketch to image feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So for this, open any photo that you want to edit and then tap on this Galaxy AI icon at the bottom. Now here, swipe right and then select sketch to image. Now here you can draw anything that you want to generate an image of. So what I'll do is I'll try to draw a watermelon slice. These are my drawing skills and I'll just hit generate now. So as you can see, Galaxy AI has actually turned it into a watermelon slice. So this was the original picture and this was the watermelon slice that the Galaxy AI generated. Now I can save it like this. Now let's try something else. So let's go to sketch to image again, and this time around I'll try to draw a cloud and see if it detects and how it works. So this is the cloud I've drawn and I'll hit generate. So it takes 4 or 5 seconds to generate the photorealistic version of your drawing. So this is what it has generated. Now let me show you the original picture, and this is the AI generated image. Now if you are not satisfied with the image that it has generated, you can also edit your drawing using this edit drawing button at the bottom, or you can ask Galaxy AI to generate one more version of this particular drawing. So this is what it has generated. So it will now show you both the versions of the image and you can save the one that you like. So I'll just save this one and then save as copy.